welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a refreshing and creamy strawberry milkshake at home. This recipe is super simple, quick to make, and perfect for a hot day or whenever you want a delicious treat. So let's jump right in. First, you want to make sure your strawberries are nicely washed. So I have some water here. To that, I'm adding in some white vinegar. Then we'll add in some salt. We'll add in the strawberries and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes to remove all the dirt. Now 5 minutes later, you can see some of the dirt in the water, so I'm going to remove our strawberry from the water, then rinse it out under running water. Once our strawberries are nicely clean, we'll go ahead to remove the skins and cut them into smaller pieces so they blend easily. Now, if your strawberries are not that sweet, you can add in sugar while you are blending your strawberries. So into a blender, we'll go ahead and add in my strawberries, then add in a cup of milk. To that, a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then goes in 2 scoops of ice cream for that extra cream. I'll then add in about 1/3 cup of ice cubes, then cover it and blend everything together for about 30 to 40 seconds until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. If your milkshake is too thick, you can add in a little more milk and blend again. To finish it up, I'll go ahead and garnish my glass with some honey. You can use strawberry syrup, that works perfectly. I'll then go ahead and pour in my strawberry milkshake into my glass, then garnish it with some whipped cream and some fresh strawberry, and just like that, your delicious homemade strawberry milkshake is ready. This milkshake is sweet, refreshing, and perfect for the whole family. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. And until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!